Now let's look at how to make this navigation bar here to be transparent instead of white. Go back to your dashboard. Under Appearance and Editor, find the file called style.css. Style sheet, this one. Click on it and you will see this CSS style sheet for this Zerif Lite theme. Where we want to go is to find the part for us to edit the design of the navigation bar. So I'm just going to do a search by pressing Ctrl F. Click on this box here and press Ctrl F. This search box shall appear and type nav bar and press enter. So it basically searched all the nav bar text that's available on this style sheet. Scroll down. The part that we want to change is actually here, the background. So instead of having a white background, which is defined as FFF, as in the web hash code, we're just going to disable this line here. Again, we're going to use the same method to disable this line. So I'm going to type /* and ends it with */. Then I'll add another line called background color here. Press enter. Then give it a name called transparent. This is the setting, the new setting that we want to have for the background to make the background transparent. Then check this box and click Update File. Good. So return to your home page and refresh the screen. You should be able to see a transparent background right now. If you're unable to see this, if you're still seeing that white background, what you need to do is to do a hard refresh. How do you do a hard refresh? Is right click, select Inspect, then right click on this refresh button here and select the last one, Empty Cache and Hard Reload. In this way, it basically empties your entire cache for your web browser and perform a hard reload. Then you should be able to see something like this. But the problem now here is that our menu links are not so visible. So the next thing to do is to try to change the color of these links here. The easy way to change the color of the text here is by using the inspector tool on your Chrome browser. I'm currently using the Chrome browser, and if I right click and select Inspect, you should be able to see this section on the right side. Then I will just click on this arrow here, this icon with an arrow. Then I'm going to mouse over this text and click on it. Then if you go down here, you can see that this is the color that's been designated for this text. So what I could do is just click on this black box and select a different color that I want. Say for example, I'm going to choose a color that's a bit like purple, like the logo, like this. Click on this, and immediately you see that the text has been changed to this purplish color. Let's make it a bit darker, or how about like this? So if you're happy with this, copy this hex code for this color, and we're going to use this hex code on the style sheet, which is the style.css file that we need to change. So this section is located at under .navbar-inverse and .navbar-nav. So we're just going to find this section on the style sheet.